Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to evaluate the limit if it exists. We have the limit as x approaches -2 of x plus 2 over x cubed plus 8. So what we want to do here is to be able to plug in -2 into this fraction and then solve it. However, if we do that, we're going to be dividing by 0, and obviously you can't do that. So first we have to simplify the fraction. And the way we're going to do that is we have x plus 2 on top, and here we have the sum of two cubes, right? So this is the limit as x approaches -2 of x plus 2 over x cubed plus 2 cubed. And we know how to factor the sum of two cubes, or if you don't, you take the sum of the two things being cubed, x plus 2, and you multiply it by the first one squared minus the product of the two things, minus 2x, plus the second one squared. That is the formula for the sum of two cubes. And what we have to do now is say, okay, we have x plus 2 on top and on the bottom, so we can now cancel these out. We get the limit as x approaches 2 of 1 over x squared minus 2x plus 4. And now what we can do is we can plug in -2 into our fraction. -2 squared minus 2 times -2 plus 4. This gives us 1 over 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 1 over 12. Now for the value of the limit is 1 over 12.